What the flip is up, tubers? Today, Taura and I are at a wonderful lake. We're gonna catch some fish. Taura, how cold are you right now on a scale from 1 to 10? 10 being the coldest.
I'm not that cold.
You're not that cold yet?
I'm just really tired.
Okay, well she just woke up from a nap. Well, I got everything ready, so we'll see how it goes. I tied her on a Metro and a drop shot with a koi K on it, some kind of little koi K. I have a punching rig, a doom rider, a bellows gill that's floating, and this is a Citizen 6. So, stay tuned. I also brought like a, bellows sticks and more bellows gills and, I have everything with me that I need, I think. So, let's see how it goes, but see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and support Swimbaits all day. Alright, off we go. Grab a paddle and your drink.
I'm gonna get the back and put you in the front.
Huh? Let's just go straight to the ass end of this, guys. Oh, that's an old cat. It's a nice boat. This one? This is an old bass cat. Looks like a P2. Looks like the same boat as me. There's some buck bass up here. Taura, he caught one. Oh! Beautiful fish. On the Doom Rider. Let's go. Little male. No, not really. That one, not really. There's another one right here. Hold on. Bye, guy.
Was he under the dock?
Yeah, there's another one under the, there's another one on the dock. Sure, there's another one underneath the dock. Huh?
That was crazy to see you do that.
Alright. Don't hit me, please. Thank you. There's hella fish underneath this dock. I'm trying to catch them. That's why
Stay back here.
that's why I went over there away from it for a while. Oh, I just had one hit. Oh, I just had one hit it again. Back-to-back casts. Had a bite on it. I've only caught one. Yeah, how you doing today?
Good. I mean, there's a bunch of little males running around.
Yeah, that's what I call it, was just a little male.
Been chucking that big bait all day?
Yeah, that's pretty much all I throw for the most part.
There you go.
Yeah.
We only got one on the little chopper fly today.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like it'll be a good day for it. It's just not getting it hung up in grass and shit, it's a problem.
Right.
But they've been reacting well to it. It's just getting in front of the right ones that'll actually eat it.
Right.
I think this concludes it. I think this is the end of the day. Under this I have a Tortip Hunter fishing shirt on, so sport swimbaits all day. Really comfortable gear. I would have my Swimbaits all day hoodie on, but it is dirty at the moment. So I didn't have my hat on either, but that's just because this is the one I grabbed. But just kind of funny that I'm on a paddleboard, I'm wearing a hummingbird hat. It's crazy. This is a fun time. I think Taura's ready to go. Look at her over there. Mad dogging the shit out of me.
I'm already ready to go.
She's ready to go. I'm not ready to go. I'm just playing on my board. But thank you for staying to the end of the video. And don't forget to, first of all, like, absolutely assault that like button. Beat up that subscribe button. And don't forget to comment. And leave me your thoughts, please. I need feedback. They were up shallow today. They were on beds. I didn't really like break down how I caught that only fish I caught. It was on a Doom Rider. Just kind of fishing a dock, and I was like, and then all of a sudden it was like, and I was like, oh, big one. And then I was gonna like actually talk about it, but then I saw like 4 more fish underneath that dock that I was fishing it, and they were like bigger than him, so I let him go really quick and try to catch him. Didn't work out for me. So that's just how that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. So 86 Doom Rider coming in clutch. On the other hand, this is what happened today. It really sucks. I was throwing my what gill is this? The Tempest. And then look what I did. I broke it right there and right there. Oh brother, that was tragic. Oh no! Dude, you know how much that bait costs if that breaks?
Oh, sounds like you should be more careful.
Oh no, and there's dogs?
Oh, okay, yes, careful.
Okay, it came off. Dude, no! Oh, it broke, Taura. It broke.
What's it look like? Let me see.
I mean, it still holds the tail, but it broke.
Let me see. Oh, it's...
Oh. Luckily, one of the pieces popped up and landed like right next to it. And luckily the other piece landed in the water and floats. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for making it to this part of the video, because this outro was long as heck. But it's because my video was low-key trash today, so thank you. Peace.